Welcome to another episode of Freak Eating Challenge. Today we're going to take on the refrigerator challenge, which has been brought to me by Extreme Eats UK. Be sure to check them out in the Twitter link below. So it's really simple. Just open up your refrigerator, go to the top shelf, all the way in the back left side, pick out what you find. I have something called pure butter ghee, which is actually about 4 years old. Looks really nasty. It's clarified butter, which means it's what you get when you boil butter and siphon off the remains, I think. There's different varieties. This is actually in Middle Eastern Arabic variety, so I got that. Second thing, go to the door, all the way bottom shelf door, right corner. And then I got strawberry syrup. This is just really sickly sweet stuff. You go to the nutrition facts, and you'll see it's all sugar, 31 grams per cup, or actually quarter cup. So the rules of the refrigerator challenge are to take the two items you find, mix them, eat them, tweet out a picture, and in my case, make a video. So away we go. And after some professional chefery in the kitchen, I have my concoction here, which is basically a creamy, nasty looking concoction that looks kind of like puke. This is ghee strawberry syrup, which is little more than butter and jelly, really. But I just think the fact that the ghee is so damn old and not something that I would typically eat is gonna make this pretty gnarly. Yeah. So, I know I've eaten surströmming and beef bile, but for some reason this is weirding me out, so let's just do this thing. It tasted all like strawberry syrupy until the swallow, and I just got a whole bunch of butter. It's all lingering in the back of my throat. Yeah, this is nasty as hell. Nothing much to write about here. It's just, imagine you took a stick of butter, bit into it, and added a dollop of jelly. That's my fridge challenge. Whew. No, thank you. That was pretty nasty. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to click thumbs up, share with a friend, and subscribe to Freak Eating. And stay tuned for more crazy eating challenge videos down the line. Oh yes, and be sure to check out Extreme Eats UK's Twitter, as well as Matt Sweet Tooth Cohen's version of the refrigerator challenge. He took on a mix of baking soda and chlorophyll, and I'll leave it to you to see how dangerous that got. Thanks for watching another episode of Freak Eating Challenge. Stay in school, don't do drugs, and eat like a freak.